Hi everybody, wherever you are, and welcome to this practice session number 3 of the relative pronouns. This is part of a series of English practice videos brought to you by English Windows online learning platform to help second baccalaureate students get ready and well prepared for the English National Exam, especially the grammar section. Now guys, we have arrived at quiz number 3 and we have 10 statements as usual. We got to choose from the list of relative pronouns that are suggested there, and the full score is 20 points, and we have to score at least 10 points out of 20 to pass this quiz, and the time is limited, or the time limit is set to 5 minutes. Great guys, if you're ready, let's go ahead. Great. Now let's start with the first statement. The shop I go to is close to downtown. Do we say the shop that, or where, or which? What do you think is the right choice, guys? That, where, or which? Very good. We see the shop where, the place where I go to, is close to downtown. Very good. Yeah. Number 2, guys. I have met most of the people. Do we say who, or which, or whom are eager to take part in the competition? The people. Very good. We say who are eager to take part, right? This is replaces the subjects here, right? Okay. Very nice, guys. Let's move to number 3. Do you know the reason I wear hijab? Do we say do you know the reason who, or the reason that, or the reason why? What do you think is the right and correct relative here? Very good. We see here the reason why I wear hijab. Very good. Now, number 4, guys. My computer acts up every time it starts up. Do you know to fix this problem? Do you know what? Very good. Do you know how to fix this problem? We can choose where, who is not, the most, and basically the correct relative pronoun here is how. Do you know how to fix it? Great. Okay, number 5, your shop. And then we have here your attention and non-restrictive clause. Will probably be shut down next year. Is really old. That's the continuity of the basic, independent clause here. Okay, your shop. Very good. Which will probably be shut down. Right, that's the right relative pronoun to use here. Right. Okay, number 6, guys. Has anybody seen the English book? Book, right? I left on my desk. Do we say the book? Who, or which, or whose? We can't use who, guys, because it refers to people, right? Okay, we got the book, so what do you think is the right one to use here? Very good. There is no position relationship here, so guys, the correct answer is which? The book which I left. Very good. Yes, number 7, guys. Your attention, we have less than 3 minutes. The police identified the murderer. Fingerprints were on the knife. Do we say the murderer who, or whose, or which fingerprints? Very good. We say these fingerprints. We ask this question: whose fingerprints were there, guys? Okay, so these are whose. We see here whose. The murderer whose fingerprint. These are the fingerprints of the murderer, guys. Criminal, guys. Very good. Yes. Number 8, guys. There are these are the kids, and we have your parents were arrested. Again, who are the parents here? The parents. We'll talk about the parents of the kids, guys, of course. Okay, so what do you think is the right relative pronoun? Do we see whose, who, or whom? Very good. We see here the kids whose parents, right? Okay, so this indicates again this belonging relationship, right? This or possession. Very good. Yes. And number 9, guys. I know the candidate I am going to support in the next election. I know the candidate who, or which, or whom. I'll talk about the candidates. It means we're talking about a person. So what do you think is the right relative pronoun here? To refer to a person. And the structure, it should be replace the subjects. Very good. We see here the candidate who I'm going to support, or who am I going to support? Your attention here. Guys, do you think the right answer is who or whom? because we have here, the candidate here is not the relative pronouns we need should be replace the objects, right? It should has an object's position here, right? I'm going to support what? To support the candidate, right? So the right answer, guys, is going to be whom, right? Okay, the candidate whom I'm going to support. Very good. Who, if it replaces the subject, right? Or if it's in a subject's position. Okay, number 10 on the last statement, guys. The robber stole the car. The lady parks. Do we see whom, that, or whose? The car. That's the lady. Very good, excellent job. We were about again to exceed the time limits, but fortunately we managed to finish on time. Great. Thank you very much for being with us. Thank you for your attention and your care, and see you in another practice session. Goodbye.